In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log in YouTube channel without Gmail. 2025. To do this, you will create a Google account using a phone number instead of a Gmail address. And then you can use that account to sign in to YouTube. Start by going to the Google sign-in page on your phone or computer. From there, look for the option that says Create Account. Select for My Personal Use. This is the correct choice for a standard YouTube login. Next, you will be asked for some basic information. Enter your name, then add your birthday and gender. Make sure the birthday you enter is accurate because this can affect age-based settings on Google services, including YouTube. Take your time and double-check everything before moving forward. After that, you will see an option to use a phone number. Choose Use Number. This is the key part because it lets you set up the account and sign in without using Gmail. Enter your phone number carefully and then wait for the verification message that Google sends to your phone. When it arrives, type the verification code exactly as it appears. If the code does not arrive right away, stay on the same screen and give it a moment, since messages can sometimes be delayed. Once your number is verified, you will create a password for your new account. Choose a strong password that you can remember. Make sure it is not easy to guess, and avoid using the same password you use on other sites. When you are done, select Next to continue. Finally, you will be shown the terms. Read through them, then agree to finish creating the account. After that, your account setup is complete, and you can use it to log into YouTube on any device by signing in with the account you just created. That covers everything you need to know.